Hey, it's great to see you again. You look fantastic. Me, I'm doing really well. Thank you for asking. I'm actually going back to school right now. As my kids are growing up, I've decided to pursue getting my bachelor's degree and will graduate this fall with a bachelor's degree in applied management and a certificate in professional sales. So it's kind of an exciting time in my life right now. I have really enjoyed going to school, and I feel like even with my diverse work history of being in paper sales and importing and all the way to like teaching music classes, that I'm learning new things and exploring different avenues. Some of the classes that I've really liked the most have been sales and marketing and communications, and I feel like that's where my strengths lie. But I also want to combine it with my natural creativity and love of homes and home staging and real estate to maybe find my own niche and even have my own business someday. I would really like to use the skills that I have in the business world, and I feel like it's kind of my time to shine. As you know, my husband has a successful career. My kids are doing really well. They'll be out of the house before I know it. And I feel like I have a lot to give. So it's really a fun and interesting time in my life. And I would love it if you know of anybody in the home staging or real estate business that could have some advice for me. That would be fantastic. Thank you so much. It was great to see you.